My name is Scott Whitley. I'm the Commercial Product Sales Manager at Flexaust, and today we're going to talk about floor care equipment. One of the biggest items used in commercial cleaning are floor scrubbers. We offer both the suction hose and the discharge or dump hose, if you will. A couple that you can see on the unit here. This is the suction hose. We overmold these fittings here, so we get complete assemblies that are leak tight. We also do the drain hose or the dump hose. This is what we call a squeeze cuff, and you can see I can squeeze this to control the flow of water as you're draining the recovery tank on your scrubber. So next we're going to talk about the most important part of a commercial cleaner's kit, and that's the vacuum. We manufacture a large number of the products that go with vacuum cleaners in the North American market, some outside of North America also. This is a unit, of course, that connects to the wand. This is the most common wand that's used in the industry. This is a two-piece button lock, so you can store the product. This is one of the most common floor tools in the market that we manufacture. This allows, when you're vacuuming on commercial carpet, it has a bristle on the bottom. What that does is agitate any product on the floor. It basically makes it jump up, and then the vacuum picks it up. A lot of times you'll have a floor brush. Floor brushes are used for hard surface floors, tiles, wood floors, things of that nature. This is a horsehair bristle on this tool. There's a slot cut out on the front. And what that allows you to do when you're pushing forward with it, it will still pick up instead of just acting as a broom and pushing the product away. We offer all of these in cast aluminum. Crevice tools, one of the best-selling products that we've got. The dust brush, probably the best product in the industry for all the dust brushes out there. It has a rubber guard on it, so you can bang into things with it when you're cleaning and it won't mark, it won't scratch. And then the upholstery tool. Not nearly as glamorous as the other two, but used for anywhere that you need the same benefits of a floor tool, but in a much smaller package. A couple other examples of vacuum hose outside of the one on this unit. This is our DPZ hose. It's great for wet, dry vacuums. This is our commercial hose. It's a dual profile hose, so it has a thick wall, better abrasion resistance, if you will. This will be used primarily on walk-behind extractors, but also in some truck mounts. We also make another hose called our STM that is a little beefier version than this. You'll see it out in the field in either blue color or orange. The STM actually stands for super truck mount, and that's where it's used mostly, is for truck mount extraction hose. The last example I got, this is our Flex Plus hose. This is a great hose for spotters, for very small extraction equipment. It is extremely flexible, but it is still a dual profile hose, so you still get the greater abrasion resistance. So again, in closing, Flexaust manufactures everything from the floor back to a vacuum system. If you have any questions, please go to our website, flexaust.com. Thanks so much for watching.